sa Beston Hotel, Pattaya. Wow, very nice. Resto. And they also have swimming pool. This is our room, room 627. Welcome to our room. So we have here our CR, our bed, TV, coffee station, ref, and our towel. With our beautiful view. Wow. So this is our room sa Beston Hotel in Pattaya. That's it. Until next time. Bye.